Find a missing term in a proportion. So, may nawawala ditong term. Meron na tayong first pair of ratio and then second pair of ratio. So, there is a missing term here in the second ratio. So, the first step that we will do is to multiply the means and the extremes. Extremes and means. 4x equals to extreme. So 3 times 20. So we will bring down 4x and then 3 times 20. So we need to find x. So ang gagawin mo, you will divide both sides the same number beside the x. So x goes out and then divide. So tira na natin yung x dito. 60 divide 4. 60 divide 4 is equals to 15. So, meron na tayong x. May value na yung ating x. This is 15. So, let us check if our answer is correct. So, now, we will multiply again the extremes and the means. So, 4, hindi na siya x, 15 na siya. 4 times 15 and 3 times 20. 4 times 15, 60. 3 times 20, 60. Therefore, our answer is correct.